this is the shed that last year we bought this shed. We did spray the whole thing with a garden pump sprayer. Oiled it good with the 50-50 mix of diesel and oil. This year we're going a little bit more advanced, faster, easier. So you can see the side I already did versus what I didn't do yet. You know how much it's sucked in, and you know it doesn't have that nice look anymore. So this is year 2. I'm going to put 2 coats on it this year. Everybody asks, can you use synthetic or not? Yes, you can. This is all Mobil 1 synthetic. Off-road diesel. The red dye doesn't mess you up. It's okay. It might give you a little bit of actual cedarish color to it. I haven't tried without the off-road to see if there's a difference. But I'll finish this right here. I'll let you watch me do it. It's just real quick. You just make sure you're getting each side of each batten. Making sure you're getting. You don't want to have any spots uncoated, uncovered. You want it all covered good. And make sure you get your soffit fascia boards. Get them covered real nice. You don't want boring bees. So that's another really good thing about this. When you're using the oil and diesel, carpenter ants, termites, wood boring bees, all that kind of stuff, nothing will touch this wood. It doesn't like this. We have ruined its dinner. So this is a very good deterrent to not only the wood rot, but all of the insects that are going to attack your structures. Obviously, I can't go underneath the building and get that done. It'd be nice if you could, but at least the main structure is going to be left alone and not attacked by anything. And to me, you get a fabulous look out of this 50-50 mix. The coloring is very attractive. It looks like something you spent $1,000 on at Sherwin-Williams, and I didn't. I did that entire building yesterday and today, and then this entire building with a total of 10-gallon mix, which is 5 gallon of used oil, 5 gallon of off-road diesel fuel, 10-gallon 2-story 20 by 20 building and a 24 by 12 shed. The whole thing 10 gallon. Total cost, used motor oil is free. Diesel fuel is about $4 a gallon, 5 gallon. So you know you're 25 bucks whatever into this job. Mostly using a product you were going to take down to the parts store and dump in their bin and get rid of. So it's recycling. This is ecology. I'm doing good for the world here, right? Good stuff. Hey guys, do me a favor, like and subscribe. Leave me comments. I love your comments. I like to hear what you think about what I did. Are you positive about it? Negative about it? Do you like the coloring? Do you have any ideas for me? Go down to the comments and comment. I love that. I do talk to absolutely every person that comments. I'm small enough that I answer everybody. So like, share, comment. I appreciate you. I hope you appreciate me. Thank you. Here we go. Don't be afraid to get it on there heavy. miss anything? I don't think so. Oh, okay, a little bit on the door. My wife's pointing. Alright, I'm going to move my sprayer over. Finish that little bit there and I'm done. Hey, I appreciate you guys. Do me a favor, like I said, like, subscribe, comment. Love you.